Good day. I am Andrea Daniel Hilig. I am going to discuss about the fitness program. So, fitness program is a structured plan designed to improve physical health and overall health well-being. It typically includes various types of exercise and may also involve dietary plan. Various exercise is two types of exercise is indoor and outdoor. Indoor is for sa balay lang, like Zumba, and also, pwede raman sad mo indoor ang kanang naa sa gym if na lang kay mga equipments, di ba? And next is dietary plan. So, kuan jud ka, mag-diet jud ka, ang nag-exercise ka, magsigipod kag kaon. So, asa man ang mapunta ang ima exercise. So, components of fitness, one is cardiovascular. Cardiovascular activities like running, cycling, swimming, or walking. And cardiovascular also improves health, stamina, heart, and lung capacity. And for the next is strength training. Involves weightlifting or body weight exercise like push-ups and squat. And for the next component of fitness is flexibility and stretching. And before that, miss, I'm so sorry. Unsa di imuhangan?
Good evening, Miss.
So, thank you, miss. And, I'm so sorry. Largo jud ko ay. So, next is flexibility and stretching. It includes activities like yoga, and it enhances flexibility, reduces muscle tensions, and prevents injuries. And, miss, naa kay sports, di ba?
Yes, na, Miss. Volleyball.
Oh, so, before man gyud ta mo duwaan is kanang mag-exercise, mag-stretching man gyud ta and warm ups so to prevent cramps, injuries like inana, di ba? And next is balance and coordination. Exercises like Tai Chi, pilates, like Tai Chi is for like Chinese garter, di ba? Like mo layat ka, kailangan ka iglanding nimo, balance ka, like di ka para like inana. It improves stability, coordination, and reduces the risk of fall. And after you mag-exercise, kay mag-rest and recovery ka, di ba? And next, miss, is benefits. First is physical health. It includes benefits sa imong physical health, kay man ang weight management, cardiovascular health, strength, and endurance. Next is mental health. To pawa sa mga stress sa school, sa academics, and other problems, di ba? It is enhance your mood, stress reduction, and cognitive function. So, mo to ang fitness program, miss. So, sa ko ang personal experience, miss, sa amo ang PE 1 and 2, kay as a not sporty girl, jud siya, kay kanang kapuyan ko ma-exercise. Nana, kay wala lang, sige kong higda. Kaya kapoy lagi may exercise. So, mara to siya, miss. That's all. Thank you for your time. Thank you so much. Bye, miss.
Bye.